Animation is an element you can use to make your website come to life, but having too much may confuse visitors. In this video, we will give you a quick overview of a web animation process. Now, we will not delve into conceptualizing or sketching out your Lottie animation. That will be on another video. Rather, how to prepare vector files and making Lottie animations for your website. If you have a client who already has some vector files for you to animate and integrate into their website, make sure the files you receive are layered or editable. For this video, let's look into what we did with a website for Wasted King's Cup. Besides developing their website, we've also made Lottie animation icons for certain sections. Always prepare your vectors in Adobe Illustrator by separating each vector or parts needed to be animated and those that are not. We need to identify which part that moves. For the shackle icon, the parts needed to be animated are the head, arms, torso, and legs of the guy. The ones that remain static are the wheel, pointer, and the stand. After we're finished with it, we import it in Adobe After Effects as composition retained size. Then select the upper body parts and pick whip certain layers together. After that, designate a color for each group of layers. The same for the lower body parts, the wheels, and the immovable parts to make the process easier. With the position and rotation, use the keyframes in animating the movements. After that, right-click and go to Keyframe Assistant and click Easy Ease for smooth movement effect. Use it also to the other body parts as well. Make the beer foam bounce when the glass hits each other. To make the Lottie animations loop, you need to position your movement you made back into its original position. You may try looping expressions, but remember it needs a starting point and a stopping point for the loop. For the scroll icon, it needs two things for this: a size change by using and manipulating scale, and its keyframes. For the writing animation effect, this is basically stroke used with trim paths. After that, set the layer to alpha matte. For Lottie plugins in After Effects, there are lots out there to use, such as Lottie files, and body moving. For Lottie files, you can download it in their website for free. The only downside to this is that you need to have an account and you need to be online to connect to use the plugin. Another is body moving, which does not require online access on an account to use, but it still costs money. Links for both in the description of this video. While animations can make your website lively, too much of it can make it overwhelming for visitors. Thus, Lottie animations, especially those icons, should be a bit more subtle at times. Not too flashy, just short and smooth. Those can add a nice touch to the static looking website.